I came looking for pumpkin, and I seen a tail before. Mike just covered him over more, but he was completely under there. Okay, you can go back to sleep. Hey guys, I switched up my mug. I'm having a cup of tea. Another Snoopy mug. Hello, fall. And when you drink to the bottom of the cup, there is a leaf in the bottom. I got this at Winners a few years ago. Don't mind the Diet Pepsi there. But I just had to have it because two of my favorite things, Snoopy and fall. So this is going to be my mug for the season. It's a huge mug. So if you like a big coffee mug or a big cup of tea, then this is a good mug for you. The only thing I don't like about this mug is the way the lip goes over like this. It makes it hard to drink sometimes because it can dribble down your chin. So you just got to watch that. But I love this mug. And I love Snoopy. Hey guys, don't mind my hair. It's crazy. I got my foxy apron on and I am baking some bread today. So here's my dough. I didn't show it, but it's all mixed up in the lovely KitchenAid here. So I don't have to knead it. I think we're going to need a little bit more though. Let's lock this into place. Oh yeah, all the dough is pulling away from the sides, so I would have to say that's ready. Yeah. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dough off. I'm going to spray the bowl with a little bit of Pam, and I'm going to let it rise for an hour and a half. Okay, the bread is set up for its first rise, and I made a garden salad for myself for lunch with Italian dressing, so I'm going to eat this now. These guys are lazy today, too. Hi, Pumpy Umpkin. Hi, my little Pumpy Umpkin. Mummy's boy. And Odie's Mummy's boy. Yeah? What's the matter, buddy? You having a lazy day? I don't know where Tigger is. Let's go see where Tigger is. There's Tigger. You were hanging out in the kitchen, were ya? I was afraid my bread wasn't going to rise properly because my what's it called? Yeast wasn't foaming like it normally does. But it is, yeah, it's definitely doubling in size, so that's good. It still has another 25 minutes of rising to do, so I think it's going to be okay. And if you guys want to see, I know there's lots of bread recipes out there, but if you guys want to see the one that I use, then I'll link it down below for you guys. So, however, instead of using milk all the time, I substitute my milk for warm water, and it tastes just as good. I think it does anyway. And I use Basil instead of actual butter, but nobody complains about my bread. Everybody loves it because I always make 2 loaves, and because where there's no preservatives in it, it goes, I guess I could freeze the extra loaf, but where there's no preservatives in it, if you don't eat it within like 5 or 6 days, it's spoiled. So, but it's healthier that way. So I always make 2 loaves and I give 1 away. Sometimes we eat 2 of them that quick, but not usually. Mike and I can't eat 2 loaves of homemade bread in like a week. It's not going to happen. So, because we don't eat a lot of bread, but this is the healthier option for me with being diabetic because like there's no preservatives in it. So I know it's still white bread, but it's still better. Okay, so here's my bread dough. Now I gotta beat it down and roll it into 2 loaves. Okay, Mike got the 2 loaves right there. And I gotta let them rise for another hour. One's gonna be bigger. I usually use the scale to measure them out, but I didn't today, so it don't matter. But we're gonna, go ahead, cover them over and let them rise for another hour. Alexa, start a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour. Starting now.
Mike is going to take them out of the oven for me. Oh. Look at those. And then we're going to put them on the cooling racks and we're going to brush them with some butter on the top or basil. Alright guys, and there's my 2 perfect loaves of bread. They got the butter on the top of them, and I'm just going to let them sit and cool for a few minutes. So I guess now we know how Pumpkin's getting, well, not how, I kind of figured it out anyway, but I actually caught him in the act today getting in the bed underneath the blankets, so that's kind of cute actually, that he likes going in and snuggling up under the blankets. But anyway, I'm going to end this one here. I hope you guys are having a great week so far, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye everyone.